I have way too many resources for my language studies. It's getting a little out of hand, and now it's making me feel overwhelmed. This is the exact question that I answered in my coaching week, and I wanted to share the answer here as well. I am someone who collects apps, who collects the names of textbooks. Like, I love to find new things, but also it's part of my job at this point. And so what I recommended and what I am telling you is to do the following. First, list out every single resource you have access to. You can write it down on paper. My preference is digital, and I put it all in Notion. Yes, I make a whole database. I have one. It's amazing. I love it. Keeps me organized. Now, as you list out all the resources, you want to go thorough. Put the links in so you don't have to find them later. Put in descriptions if you're not sure what it is, just off the name. And then you also want to describe how it's helpful to you. So what specific skills is it helping you to build? Is it speaking, listening, writing, reading, grammar, vocabulary, all of them? What languages does it focus on? This is especially important for us who are learning multiple languages, because you might have a textbook that's helping with 2, you might have an app that has 5, but it doesn't have one of the languages that you're learning, and you want to note this down. And then these are the questions that I ask myself that I shared in my response. What does this app help me to accomplish? What do I love about this app? What do I feel is missing from this app? Because nothing is going to be the end all be all for you. Basically, there's no one perfect resource. You're going to need supplements. And then, as I shared, what skill is this supporting? Be very specific so that 1, you can look back at this database and pull out exactly what you need when you need it. And 2, when you're using a specific resource, you'll be able to easily see the gap in this resource and know what other one you can add in to supplement your learning. And then this means that you're not trying to do all the things. You're not trying to use all the apps and all the textbooks at the same time. Don't do it. Take it from me. If you found this helpful, make sure to save this and follow for more language learning tips from your favorite language learning coach.